Hello, this is Juan Pablo, and this is my webpage that I wanted to show you, even it is not finished yet. Well, my nonprofit organization is called A Bite for a Change, and the idea of this is, as you can see in this first pictures, is to help homeless people and people who needs to be fed. As you can see here, I included some pictures, right? The idea of these pictures is to appeal the viewer and to help the organization. You see, as you can see here, we have some members of the organization that are helping homeless people. These kids over here. And I also included a video from the United Nations that is about food loss and food waste. Yeah, and what can we do and how can we help not to waste all this food in different places of the world. Well, continuing with the web page, here we have a little description of what we're doing in the organization. It says we will go to a series of restaurants that want to donate the food they have left over at the end of the day. We collect from the restaurants and take them to specific places to be rationed. Then, after this, the food rations will be redistributed to homeless people at strategic points in the city, hoping this is helpful for them so that they can eventually become self-reliant, and at some point they will want to help in the organization to help others, the same way they were helped in the past. Maybe it sounds like a tongue twister, but that's the idea in simple words. Yeah. And this is how we work in the organization once we have rationed the food. And here we have the progress of the organization. Here we have two buttons that they still don't work. I have a call to action button too. More pictures, another button to subscribe to the page so the people can receive information from the organization, how they can help the organization not only with money but also with time. Another call to action button for the restaurants owners, volunteer and donate buttons too. They don't work yet. Then I have the footer, and I have the copyright, my name, and the social networks. Yeah, so this is my page. I decided to do this because I like helping people, and I also decided the colors, the background color, because it's a happy color and people would feel joy and they will want to help others too. Yeah, so this is my page. I hope you like it, and I would be glad to read your comments and advices. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.